Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how you can install Team, okay? Microsoft Team. So Microsoft Team, if you want to install Microsoft Team, you can just search Microsoft Team on the Microsoft Store, or you can go to the Google Chrome, okay? So we will go to Google Chrome and search. We will search here Microsoft Team. Team download. Okay, when you search the Microsoft Team download, there's the first link. Okay, you have to click on it, and you can also see the second link, but this is not a verified link. Okay, the first link is verified, so click on the first link and you can see the download link here. Okay, download Microsoft Team for Windows. Click on it, and when you click, it will ask you where you want to download it. Okay, so just save. Okay, the setup is downloaded successfully. Just click on it and run. When you click on it, it will run automatically. Okay, so just wait for moments. Now you can see the setup is running, and now you can see it almost installed. Okay, so it's installed. Okay, let's go. Okay, so that's it for today. See you in the next video. Bye.